We continue now at the top of Daf Nun Beis Amud Aleph in Mesechet Nedarim. This is Nedarim Daf 52a. The Mishnah here continues, if a person makes a neder not to have meat, so the Tana Kama says, mutter berotav uvekipa. It's mutter for him to have the gravy of the meat and to have the sediments of the meat. For Rabbi Yehuda oser, but Rabbi Yehuda says it's prohibited to have the rotav and the kippah, to have, again, the gravy and the sediments. Amar Rabbi Yehuda says, Ma'asav asar aleinu Rabbi Tarfon bebeitzim shenisbashlu imo. There was an incident where Rabbi Tarfon said it was asr. Let's say you have the eggs that are cooked together with the meat. That would also be a problem because they're getting the taste of the meat. And therefore, again, same basic idea. Rabbi Yehuda is bringing a support to his opinion that the gravy and the sediments would be a problem. Just like Rabbi Tarfon said, the eggs that are cooked with the meat are a problem. Amru lo, they said to him, Kain hadavar, that is the case. The Mefarish over here says, Kain hadavar sha'asr k'sha'amar basar ze olai, says this is true, and the Mishnah will explain this in a moment. That's if you say basar ze olai, this particular meat, sheyesh b'kedera, l'chasha'amar kain, kol ma sheyesh b'kedera, sheyesh botam basar asr. If the person says this particular piece of meat is going to be prohibited to me, and that meat is in a kedera, and that taste is being infused into everything else that's in the kedera, then that would indeed be true that it is prohibited. Again, Amru lo, they said to him, Kain hadavar, so it is the case. Amosai, when bizman sheyomar basar ze olai, when the person says this meat is prohibited to me. Shahanoder min hadavar, because if a person takes a neder from a particular item, v'nesarev ba'achar, and it gets mixed with something else, im yeshbo b'no sein tam aser. So then, if there's no sein tam, if it's infusing taste, then it's going to be aser. And the Mefarish says, Shahanoder min hadavar, kagon sha'amar basar ze olai v'nesarev. Again, he says this particular piece of meat, as opposed to meat in general. So then we're going to say, yes, anything that's in the pot that's infused with a taste from that particular piece of meat is a problem. Avol kilo amar basar ze olai. If the person doesn't say this piece of meat is aser to me, elakonim basar olai, but just says in general that meat is prohibited to me, to mashma basar mamish, that would imply it has to be actual meat, mutter barotav uvakipa. So in such a situation, the gravy and the sediments of the meat would be okay. And the Mishnah continues along the same lines, hanoder min hayayin, if a person takes a neder not to have wine, mutter betavshil sheyesh bo tam yayin. Again, it's mutter to have a tavshil, a cooked dish that has the taste of wine. But Omar konim yayin zeh shani toim. But if the person says this particular wine that I'm not allowed to taste it, v'nafal etavshil, and that particular wine falls into a cooked dish, im yeshbo v'no sein tam. So then, if it gives taste, if it infuses taste in everything in the dish, hareza aser, then it will be prohibited. Meaning everything that has the tam of that wine is going to be prohibited. And we'll continue with this discussion in the next video on Daf Nun Beis Amud Aleph.